Now, in this video we're going to show you how the water connection in our Caravan works, from the outside hookup all the way inside, and how it connects to the water tank. We'll also show how the drainage water is connected and released from the outside drain tank. We're going to cover all of that in this video. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, RVer Couple in USA, English. Over the past several days, we've been going through each system in the Caravan one by one. Today, we're focusing specifically on the water system. Before we jump into that, we really want to say a big thank you to all of you. The way you've been watching our videos, enjoying them, and leaving such kind comments truly means a lot to us, so thank you so much. We really hope this video will be useful to you as well. When we first bought this Caravan, we struggled a lot. How to use it, how to set it up, what to do and what not to do. We honestly had no idea, and it was pretty tough in the beginning. But slowly, step by step, with practice, things started getting easier for us. So now, when you take your Caravan out on trips, we're hoping all this information will actually help you. Today, we're going to fully explain and show the entire water system. If you look here, for the kitchen we have a tank with a 200-liter capacity, which is about 50 gallons. All the clean water is stored in this tank. In the same way, for kitchen water and bathroom water, there's a separate waste tank with a 120-liter capacity, about 30 gallons each, to collect the wastewater. All the kitchen water we use goes into the gray tank. The shower water also flows directly into the same gray tank. The water used in the bathroom goes into the black tank. What we need to make sure of is that these tanks don't get full and overflow. For that, there's a switch that lets us check how full the tanks are. Once we're done at the campground and ready to leave, we can fully dump the waste tank water. How that works, how the pipes are connected, and how the dumping is done. My husband will explain all of that clearly and in detail, showing the full pipe setup. We really hope this will be helpful for you. Thank you.
So, this right here is the water connection line. This is the fresh tank fill. Inside, we have a 50-gallon tank. If we connect the water directly, the tank will fill up. This is the city water connection. When we park, we connect it directly here. This connection needs to be straight. The water pipe is here, and we supply water through this hose. On top of that, there are 2 or 3 systems involved. One is a relief valve. If the water pressure suddenly increases, it could damage the system, so this valve protects it. It keeps the pressure around 40 to 50 psi. Then there's a Y valve, in case we want an extra connection. After that comes the water filter. It shows the flow direction, so we have to connect it correctly. For now, I'm connecting this and locking it in place. This is a brand new filter. Before switching to a new filter, we need to clean it. Did you record a video of this filter?
Yes.
When turning it on for the first time, clean it first. A new filter will have a lot of carbon particles inside, and those need to be flushed out before connecting it to the Caravan.
When turning it on for the first time, clean it first.
So, since we're directly connecting to city water, we're using the city connection here. The city connection has a valve, and we're going to open the water valve now. Why did they design this at a 45-degree angle? If you connect it straight, all the weight and pressure sit on the hose. That's why 45 or 90 degrees works better. 90 degrees is fine, but when you change the hose, it might bump into another hose connection. So, 45 degrees works better.
When you say 45, do you mean the angle or the water pressure psi?
It's a 45-degree angle valve. If you make a 90-degree bend, it can interfere. If you connect it straight, it puts stress on the hose and keeps it bent. That's why they've provided this 45-degree angled fitting. That's the reason this fitting is given at a 45-degree angle. And again, the water pressure should stay around 40 to 50 psi, which is perfect for our tank. Okay, now the water connection is done and locked. Next is the sewage connection. I'm going to change my clothes. Listen to the crow sounds here. It actually sounds nice, right? Over here is our water drainage system. We have two tanks, one black tank and one gray tank. The gray handle controls the gray tank, which is for kitchen water. The black handle controls the black tank, which is for restroom waste. Both are 30-gallon tanks. Now we're connecting the sewage hose. Before handling sewage, we always wear good disposable gloves. Now we're taking out the drainage hose. This is a flexible hose, so it can be shortened or stretched as needed. We take this hose and connect it to the tank outlet. As mentioned earlier, there are two tanks inside, gray and black, but there's only one common outlet pipe. That pipe has a cap to prevent leaks during travel. When connecting, we lift it up, attach it properly, and lock it in place. After locking it, we bring it down for draining. During travel, it should always stay lifted up. Now we stretch this pipe all the way to the campground's drain connection and attach it there. It stretches easily, allowing a good slope so the waste drains better. First step, open the gray tank and check for any leaks. When we open the gray tank, we can see the water flowing and there are no leaks. After that, we can open the black tank. Right now, the black tank isn't full, it's just connected, so we're leaving it as is and only draining the gray tank.
How do you open it, Daddy?
Just push and pull the lever. Pulling the black tank lever opens it. Since the black tank is basically empty right now, we're not doing anything with it. Adjust the slope so it drains properly.
Thank you so much for watching this video all the way till the end. If you liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, RVer Couple in USA, English. In the next video, we'll meet you again with more RV-related information. Until then, from my wife and me, we'd like to say a big thank you.